All right. Hi, my name is Justin. I'm with Swimming Pool Services, and this video is to show you how to empty and clean your pump basket. Each pump manufacturer has a different style pump basket. Most of them fit like a key. So the most important thing before you take the pump lid off to clean out your pump basket is making sure the pool pump is turned off in a service mode or the breaker shut off so that you can safely take the pump lid apart. Okay, all right, this is a Pentair IntelliCenter automation unit. To open up this unit, you're going to undo the clasp on the side, pull the system open. There's a touch screen right here on this IntelliCenter. When you first tap it, it wakes up the system, and then you can see all the different options and features and lights that you can press. Right now, we're trying to turn the pump off safely. So in doing so, since everything is connected to the automation through communication cables, and we cannot turn the pump off on top of the pump, we're going to go into the settings, which is in the bottom right, and then we're going to hit the wrench, which is also service mode, the first option in settings. You'll notice that in service mode, auto is highlighted, which is what mode it's in currently. That means that everything is being controlled by the automation panel. We want to go to service mode. So I'm going to press service, and that will turn our pump off safely so that we can take the pump lid off, and then we can empty and clean the pump basket. All right, now that we have safely turned off the pump and it's not going to turn back on since it's in service mode, we can take off the pump lid. This is an IntelliFlow VSF Pentair pump. The pump lid, as you can tell, it's got very clearly labeled close, open. So we're going to open up the pump lid, take it off, and then we're going to pull out the pump basket, which, as you can tell, is very packed with debris. All right, so after I've rinsed out the pump basket with the hose and I've gotten all the debris out of it, we're ready to put it back together. Note that most pump manufacturers, again, this is a Pentair Pentair VSF IntelliFlow pump. Most manufacturers, the pump basket has a mouth that is facing where the pipe is going into the suction side of the pump. Usually if you look straight down on the pump, you can see that it will fit just like a key. It's got notched, so we'll put the pump basket in with the mouth facing where the pipe goes in. Then we're going to grab the pump lid. Before we put the pump lid back on, I just make sure that this O-ring right here doesn't have any debris. We want to try to get the best seal that we can. We'll put the pump lid on, turn, and then wait for the notch. And then we're all ready to turn the system back on.